Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called A Little Spot of Courage, a story about being brave. Hi, I'm a courage spot. I'm here to help you do something that is challenging, difficult, or especially when something is challenging or difficult, especially when you are afraid. You may see me when you are brave too. I thought superheroes were only people who showed courage. How can I show courage? You might have thought superheroes when I said the word courage, but here are some real heroes who grow their courage spot every day by keeping us safe. A doctor, military, police, and firefighter. You don't need to wear a cape to have courage. Courage is all inside of us, and we can do a small or large acts of courage every day. You may not see the effects of courage right away, but I can tell that every act of courage, big or small, makes a positive difference in this world. That's why we want to grow our courage spot as big as we can. One way we can do this is by creating courage cards. Reading these cards provides inspiration to do more acts of courage. Courage card. Every time you do an act of courage, write it here. Courage may look heroic on the outside, but on the inside, it may feel like worry and frustration. Courage isn't something that makes us not scared. It is something that helps us overcome worries. In addition to your courage spot, your confidence spot will be able to help us too. The more you believe in yourself, the easier it will become to show courage. Try repeating this to yourself every morning. Today is a new day. I will have a great start. I will listen to the voice inside my heart. I will let good thoughts inside my head and tell myself I am brave, I am loving, I am kind. There are times you might avoid a safe situation because you are worried or scared. This is when an anxiety spot grows a lot and it doesn't make you feel very good. That's why you want to try to grow your courage spot every day. Courage card. I was worried before I went to the party because I didn't know that many people, but I ended up having a great time. Let's look at some times when you wrote on your courage cards. Like when an accident happened, you had courage to be honest. I told my parents I broke the vase playing soccer in the house. Courage card. I went to the doctor today and I wasn't scared at all. I even got a sticker. Or when you were both scared of the doctor's office, you learned that the doctors are here to keep you healthy, and you both had courage to stay calm. Courage card. I was a little scared to go to the doctor's office, but the doctor made me feel better. Remember when those kids were laughing at when someone fell? They tried to get you to laugh too, and you knew that was wrong. You had the courage to say no. Are you okay? Are you okay? That was a rough fall. Let me help you. Courage call. I didn't follow the crowd and I helped someone in need. You did a great job helping the new student feel welcomed, and no one else did. You had the courage to be kind. Hey, you can sit next to me. Courage card. I was kind to the new girl at school today, and I showed her around. Those clothes you had on yesterday were pretty awesome. It was great to see you had courage to be who you are. Courage card. I wore my favorite outfit even though it didn't really match. Courage card. I wore my favorite bow tie today even though I was worried my friends wouldn't like it. When you had to get up on stage, you first wrote out your worries before the event. That gave you courage to manage your emotions. Courage card. I sang in front of a large crowd for the first time. I saw that you had a hard time learning a new skill, but you had courage to be resilient and try again. All great art starts with a scribble. I was proud to see when you shared that you didn't understand. I bet you helped out other kids too. You had the courage to ask a question. Courage card. I asked teacher for help today. I saw how imitated you both were trying out for the basketball team, but you had courage to make friends and try something new. Courage card. I tried out for the basketball team. Courage card. I tried out for the team again. Do you remember when you were learning to tie your shoes even though you were frustrated? You had the courage to keep trying. This is hard. I can do this. I did it! Courage card. Tying my shoes was hard, but I didn't give up. Riding your bike was pretty challenging. You fell a dozen times, but you kept getting up and had the courage to persevere. Courage card. I learned how to ride my bike. I was so excited. You finally realized scary shadows are not scary after all. You had the courage to manage your fear. Courage card. I could sleep without my light on. Courage card. I had fun making shadow puppets in the dark. I was happy when you discovered that your taste buds are constantly changing. What you couldn't eat, what you didn't like to eat last week could be your favorite food this week. Courage card. I tried papaya and it tasted yummy. Courage card. I tried red bell peppers tonight and I actually liked them. I was delighted you were able to make small steps to achieve your goal. You had the courage to try. Courage card. I was able to make it halfway on the monkey bars. Courage card. I found the watch and then looked for the owner. I'm glad you were determined to find the owner of the item you found in the park. You had the courage to do the right thing. Wow, look at all these courage cards. Try reading them throughout the week to inspire you to do more acts of courage this week. How can you show courage this week? And I wish you to make courage cards yourself so you can grow your courage spot. And I hope to see, this is the end of the book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!